We are now in springtime, and you know what that means?
The housing market hopefully is going to start booming.
Housing market has been booming, but
And
it's going to start
right.
booming even more.
It's going to double boom.
You're correct. So a lot of people always wait until they see those first tulips popping out of the ground. They're like, oh my God, all right.
I actually bought tulips last night.
Did you? Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful flower. I love tulips.
About to bloom. It's going to be great.
Lilacs are my favorite flower. I love the smell of lilacs. Love them.
Yeah.
I do.
Well, bring them all the flowers. Get rid of the snow. Flowers everywhere.
Yeah, I know, right? We're totally done with the snow. Even though I thoroughly enjoy winter here in New England, I'm not joking. I love to be outside. Love skiing, ice skating, all that stuff. But you know what I love? I love selling season. I love springtime because everybody, even the people that you were like, you know what? You don't need to wait because the market is already phenomenal. The water's warm. Step in, right? People are now really coming out strong on the seller's market. Let me tell you something. It's finally nice to see the inventory starting to increase. Now, not major increases, Matt, but there's more homes for buyers to select, right? So like my team right now, we're working with 34 buyers, right? 34 buyers right now. And a lot of them we've been working with since the fall, the winter, right? They had a hard time finding stuff, but quite recently, we've noticed that they're finding more and more stuff, and it makes sense because in the past week and a half, I've listed 15 properties, okay? It's a lot of properties for one person, okay? Never mind my team, right? And I'm not saying that to brag. What I'm saying is that if I'm listing that, think about there's 5,000 other agents out there in Rhode Island.
Yeah.
What is now happening? Okay, so
we're going to see a lot more signs in the ground.
A lot more signs in the ground, okay? A lot more active homes, which is a lot more competition.